Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we are with another video. Oh my gosh, I'm looking outside because there's snow and I'm just over the snow. I want it to be summer already. I don't know about you guys. I love the winter because I like to snowmobile. Other than that, I'm a summer baby. Like, I'm ready. Bring on the sun, bring on the heat, the swimming, all stuff like that. I'm ready. So I started this new thing in my room where I wrote on little post-it notes like motivational things, and you guys know I'm trying to keep up with the motivational quotes. I'm gonna pick one to read to you guys. I'm gonna pick "Your future self will thank you." So this quote means a lot to me. I actually just wrote it up there myself. Like, some of them I looked online for different quotes and picked some that I liked, but this one I just wrote myself because I really like it. So "Your future self will thank you" means to me that if you work hard now and get everything you want to get done now while you're young, and even if you're like in your 40s or 50s, like, it doesn't matter. If you get something done now and work hard, when you get it done and it'll pay off eventually, you're gonna look back and thank yourself and feel so accomplished and happy that you got it done. Because there's so many times where I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do this, blah blah blah, like with homework or whatever, and then I do it and it's done and I'm like, wow, I feel good. Like, it really does pay off. So that's today's motivational quote, is "Your future self will thank you." So whatever you're procrastinating, pause this video, go get it done now, because your future self will thank you. With today's video, it's going to be another Boxycharm unboxing. This month's says Boxycharm Breaking the Ice, which is actually so perfect because I just talked about the snow. It's cold outside and breaking the ice just fits perfectly. So the first thing I see is this Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette. Here's the packaging. It's really pretty. When you open it up, oh, here's the outside of the palette. When you open it up, you guys, I already swatched a few because I thought they were so beautiful, but look, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Like, these are like so beautiful. There's some mattes in here, some shimmery ones. I used Maui already, but like, look at this one. I'm obsessed. These are such summer colors, and like, honestly, they all are. It looks like a sunset to me. I love this. This retails for $34.99. Holy crap, that's a lot of money for that little palette. The next thing I see is this. I don't know what this is. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So it comes in this big plastic packaging. Glowing radiance and softening. So this retails for $22. Oh my gosh, this is kind of heavy. But look at how cute the packaging is. It's so sleek and clean looking. I love this. That is adorable. Let's smell and see if it smells like watermelon. I think it smells like watermelon. And if you like take a shower, wash your face, whatever, and then put this on, I bet that's gonna feel so good and smell so amazing. I'm obviously not gonna use it right now because I'm not going to bed, but this little paper comes inside with little watermelons on it. So yeah, you just put it on, sleep with it. It says if you have really dry skin, you should put like an extra layer, and then when you wake up, you wash it off. So that's cute. The next thing I see is this giant bottle. My hair is getting in my lip gloss. It's like the worst feeling ever. You guys probably relate, like being outside in the wind and stuff. When the wind blows your hair into your lip gloss, it's literally the worst thing ever. Okay, Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. This is a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face. I'm totally gonna butcher this. Gomage. This bad boy retails for $28. It's an exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. It has sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and black winter truffle extract. Gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. So this retails for $28. It's actually huge. 5.707 fluid ounces. Cute! I want to smell it. I always smell everything. That smells like really clean. And it's like a You can see the little exfoliating beads in it. And then it's like a kind of a tannish color, I'd say. Cute! The next thing is this Mana Kadar Lip Whip Dream. So it screws off like this. It says it's a matte lip color, and it says it shouldn't dry out your lips. $21 is what this retails, and I love the little pink color. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. It looks pink in here, but it might go on more nude. I already did my makeup for today, so that's why I'm not doing a try-on. The last thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. I love concealer. So this retails for $25. It says Undercover 63 the Middle Ground Concealer. And it is 4 milliliters. If you unscrew the top, that's a little brush. I'm excited to use that, except I hope it's my color. It kind of looks a little dark for concealer for the winter time. I'll probably have to wait until the summer to use this. Okay, Google, what is 25 plus 35 plus 28 plus 22 plus 21?
The answer is 131.
So everything in this month's box retails for $131. Boxycharm Breaking the Ice. I really like everything in this month's box. I'm super excited for that sleeping mask. I'm so excited for this. This is so cute. I like the packaging. It's like a hard, like glass kind of. So cute. It matches my room. Like I have all these like little subtle hints of pink in my room. That is the end of this video. It's a really short one just because I don't want to make the, oh, there's a black squirrel outside eating the bird feed. I don't want to make these Boxycharm videos too long because they're just an unboxing and like I don't want to be talking forever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, your future self will thank you. Get it done now. Power through. You got this. Finish out the school year strong. I know we have this last semester left. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching as always. Like this video, subscribe, comment what's your favorite thing in this month's box, or let me know what your favorite season is because mine's definitely summer, like I said. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!